si Warren Bonifacio versus Justin Baltasar. Sa akin kasi sa Delph, itong sabay na sabay itong lumaki. Loves to run.
Oo. Nice pass to Victoria. Nowhere to go. The fade away. Oh! What a start para kay Lawrence Victoria. MJ Garcia with the assignment on Lawrence Victoria. The step back. Yes.
Again, puro step back na yung makikita natin dito. Hindi one step back, 2 steps away.
And MJ could not get the bounce. He's 0 for 3. Good shot to Igilos. Caballero. Okay na pasa na yun eh. Ang haba nga lang. Baltasar. Layup is good. Now on the bench, pinasok na si Patrick Sleet. Jeff Viernes for 3. Wala. Igilos. We go to Sleet. Athletic catch. Score.
Yeah, instant.
Victoria. Bonifacio. Spin move. Fade away. Yes. Bonifacio. Oh, Sleet.
Yo.
What a move.
Lakas ng katawan, oo.
At the 3 spot, advantage talaga siya doon. Inigo knocks down the 3. Axel. Depensa ni Balti. Kevin Santos has it. Raymond Binuya. The drive. Short. Cortesa with a cleanup. Bola. Raymond. Cortesa. Yes.
Yeah. Kaya
wants a clear out. Rayson. 3-pointer. Yes.
Yung health niya, yung presence niya in this game, ma-appreciate mo.
Rayson knocks down the jumper.
Partner silang dalawa ni Lawrence Victoria nung huli naman.
Well, that was in San Juan.
San Juan.
Baltasar. And Reverente. 2 seconds on the shot clock. Reverente has to put it up. Basket and 1.
Lucky break there for the Voyagers.
Go down low to Balti against Bonifacio. 2 fouls on Warren.
And you know, preventing.
Katawan lang hindi sapat. Bonifacio will try again. Yes.
Pero that number said starting to be a regular one for Warren Bonifacio.
And you know what I like about that as well is the 86% shooting sa free. Bonifacio puts the ball on the deck. The fadeaway again. Warren Bonifacio. And
Rianoco as well.
Yep. They go down low. Baltasar. Oh, not much you can do pag ganun siya kalalim sa Lawrence Victoria. Thought about it. Bonifacio knocks down the 3.
Okay.
Oh. Viernes has time. Binigay kay Concepcion. Yes! Nagano eh. Sa tagal gumalaw, bago gumalaw.
Let's try to check the replay here.
Yeah, obviously, that will count for Archie Concepcion. They go to Victoria against Rayson dun sa ilalim. Lawrence. Over Rayson.
You know, with that game plan, forces itong si Pampanga to change their plan as well. Kasi they know that they're being attacked.
Inigo for 3. Yes! They need those shots from Axel Inigo. Sleep picks up his dribble. Bonifacio. Victoria drives. Yes! Oh, what a move. Galing kay Lawrence Victoria. MJ short. Ang tapik na punta kay Inigo. Ahead to Sleet. Sleet will fly and put it in for 2.
Justin Baltasar sa free throw.
And kanina malapitan. Here's Rayson, umatake, using the left hand. Basket and one.
Made ng Pampanga. Talagang so nakaklag lang yung depensa.
Oh, 3 by Hilario. Was actually called for a stepping violation in the first free throw kahit pumasok yun. Rayson fires. Yes! Sleet on the other end.
Again, no
8
reason
points
to celebrate. No to us anymore.
Rayson. Step back 3. Again! Strip. Agawan sa bola. Rayson has it. Ahead to Gozum. Corteza. Baltazar! Kurt Rayson, 11 points in the third. AJ Coronel to the post and Pasay. Rayson fires. Short. Rebound. Caballero to Sleet. Sleet puts it in control.
For Pasay.
That's a steal. Victoria back to Coronel. Layup, yes. Baltasar, Daniel Aguirre now back in the game. Rayson. Nice two-man game with Baltasar. That time taking it strong to the cup.
This game, grabe yung tulong na naibibigay niya kay Justin.
Aguirre, yes. Pampanga. Rayson. Goes to Concepcion. Yes! Tapos yung pasa, naagaw ni Archie. Here's Archie. MJ, 3 on the way. Yes!
That's home court for
Point lead. Some cushion here for Pampanga. Bonifacio answers right back. 60 to 56. What a game. Balti asking for it. Yes.
Yeah, great high-low play there.
Concepcion will fire. Caballero. They go to Reverente. Yes.
Yeah.
Three-pointer. Grabe.
Again, not giving up. Alam mo, inalagaan niya yung kanyang fouls in this game.
Baltazar over Warren Bonifacio. Caballero takes that ball away. Reverente inside. And he scores.
And yung sinasabi natin, yung sinasabi kong breaks.
No go. Reverente gets it to Victoria. Lawrence layup. Yes. The Giant Lanterns, they were tested in this ball game. And they came out on top. Another win at home para sa Pampanga Giant Lanterns.